What? You know what colors you have?
Yeah!
What do you have, AJ?
Yellow and orange.
Yellow and orange.
That orange? Yes! Yellow and orange. I'm getting in there. Whoa!
Charlotte, what color do you have?
Green and red.
Green and
This
red.
one. Is this orange?
That's red.
What's this? Blue.
Bobby, what colors do you have?
See something.
Blue and light blue. Bobby, there's a blue.
Oh, low.
How did I get that?
Char's trying to help you.
I found a yellow. I found a yellow.
A yellow.
Up there. I need to show you.
It's hard to keep up with this guy. Where is that? It's tough. Don't tell. Don't help each other.
Yellow. It's a big one too. Oh!
Trying to look at. Go. Put it up. Put it up. We gotta go. We got more than that.
More?
We got more than that.
It's orange.
Red. Don't tell him. Don't tell him. Oh, he destroyed somebody.
I'm gonna die. Yellow. Wheel.
Get to looking. Get to looking.
I got Sour Patch Kid.
He found another one.
Can you save this for me?
All right. How you gonna get that? You gotta go through the tires.
I know where the blue is, but I can't reach it.
Dang. To get the egg, you had to do all that. Good work. Oh no, he's stuck. Oh. You got yellow? Oh, it was blended in. Ah. Boy, go get that. And put it all back together. I'm gonna yeet all your blues. He yeeted your egg.
That's why I yeeted your egg. Where even is my egg? I yeeted it.
Look down here. Down here. Drop it. Look down.
Oh, my God! Hey, AJ, did you know that it was buried under it, but I put it on top so it would be easier? Where? It was right.
Oh, it's going or something. Ooh, you find something?
Yeah. It keeps opening.
You found one way over here. There's more. There's more. Oh, I see one, Charlotte. I see one.
That's a yellow.
I see one. Oh, there's more.
Oh, that's a yellow.
Don't tell him. Don't tell him. Don't tell him. Come on, Bobby. It's not time to eat yet. You got more. You got more. You got more. You got more. Let me see. You got more.
What?
You got more.
Are they in the grass?
Y'all better look.
Bobby said if I help him, he'll help me.
What? Y'all trying to team up?
Team up.
Oh, they getting down and dirty. They are getting down and dirty. Ooh, she finding them. She finding them.
Emergency egg extract.
Down there.
It's stuck. Oh no. Why'd you push it back?
I didn't. I'll give you one of my eggs. I'll be
Oh,
nice.
how nice. But hold on. Let
me still try to get it like this.
Oh, he's gonna dig it with the glasses that he found.
Somebody was hiding.
Can we tilt it? Here, lean forward. We're gonna use some teeth.
Let's see.
Look, ready? Woo! It pooped it out.
A blue one just fell.
Blue.
Oh, who has blue? That's Bobby. Bobby, your egg.
I got the best candy. I got sour
Oh, I
orange.
see a green.
Hey, look what I got.
Y'all need to look along the edge.
That's a lot of blue. I just saw a red fly up. Where? Where's the candy? Oh, I see the candy.
Look how many I got. Look how many I got.
Dang, y'all collected the goods.
That's
The Easter Bunny! The Easter Bunny! More were found. They did not look good. They there was more. No, those are ours. They're for the grown-ups now. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Oh! All right, what'd you guys? Okay, no. Oh my gosh! All right, now don't mix them up, but y'all can look and see what you got.
Okay, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait.
You're gonna be patient.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat them after lunch. Wait, you found those? Yeah. Yay! Mom found me more candy. I'm gonna eat one.
Y'all don't need no
There's
candy.
nothing in there. Oh my gosh, this is a loot. There's more in this.
This is the loot. Bobby, you got good loot? What? What is it?
It's like crunchy. Listen.
Oh. It's Pop Rocks?
Oh, it's sour.
Are they sour Pop Rocks? That's cool. Are they super sour? You can handle it.
Eat.
Let me see. Can you hear it? Guys have fun?
Yeah! My favorite part was the Easter bunny.
The Easter Bunny? New beginnings. New beginnings. Oh my gosh.
It's popping like ding ding ding.
I can hear it.
Same.